Here's what nobody tells you about kitchen remodels. You're gonna be eating a lot of takeout. But the real question isn't if you're gonna miss your kitchen, it's how long you'll actually be without it. 6 weeks? 2 months? Today, I'm giving you the honest truth about our kitchen remodel timelines and what to expect. I'm John with Cabinet Painting Vancouver, and we've walked hundreds of homeowners through kitchen transformations. And here's what I've learned. People don't need brand new cabinets to get the kitchen they want. What they do need is a realistic timeline that they can actually plan around. Look, I know your kitchen isn't just where you cook. It's where everything happens. Morning coffee, homework at the counter, those late night snack runs. When it's out of commission, your whole routine gets thrown off. And the worst part, the nagging question in the back of your mind. When is it actually gonna be done? So let's answer that right now. So Monday and Tuesday, we're getting everything ready. Taking off hardware, protecting your space, and prepping surfaces. It's nothing glamorous, but it matters. And yeah, we could rush this part, but that's how you end up with cabinets that chip 6 months later. Not on our watch. We offer a lifetime warranty, and this step is where we do the magic that makes that warranty possible. Then Wednesday and Thursday, that's when the magic happens. We're spraying everything, and everything gets that same factory finish. Here's the thing about refinishing. Your cabinet doors go off-site to get the absolute best and longest lasting finish. They need about 2 weeks in the shop. Now, I know, it feels like forever when you're staring at an empty cabinet frame, but when they come back flawless. And when we leave, you'll remember the flawless finish and not the wait. Friday of week 2, we reinstall everything in 1 day. The hardware goes back on, the doors get hung, final adjustments are made, maybe even soft close hinges are added. And if you've got a massive kitchen, we might need an extra half day. That's about it. The bottom line here is you're looking at about 3 to 4 days of downtime while we're actually spraying on site, and a week and a half without doors. But the best part is, while you wait, you can actually reach everything in your cupboards much easier. So for this scenario, Monday through Thursday, we're spraying your cabinets right on site, no different than a refinishing project. Your kitchen actually starts looking completely different, and this is usually when homeowners text us like, oh wow, this is actually happening, so excited. Friday, the countertop crew comes in. This is one of those satisfying days because suddenly your kitchen looks like, well, your kitchen again, just better. They'll also measure for your backsplash while they're there so that if they're doing quartz backsplash, everything is laser perfect. Following Tuesday is when the backsplash actually goes in. If it's quartz, it's a super quick install, just a few hours. Tile takes a bit longer. It's usually about a full day to tile the backsplash, and then the following day they'll do a half day just to grout everything. Wednesday or Thursday, the plumber reconnects everything. So the sink, the faucet, the dishwasher, you're almost back in business and you can already use your kitchen again after only about 8 working days. And Friday of week 2, that's when your cabinet doors go back on and everything clicks into place. It's the stand back and admire moment. We also walk through the project with you to make a list of any little details that need attention, and we get on fixing those as soon as possible. Deficiencies can actually take some time and a few return visits, just depending on the nature and complexity of the scope, but your kitchen is yours again, and the visits are pretty short and sweet. So we're talking about 2 weeks start to finish. Each phase has a purpose, and you'll know exactly what's happening. I know, 2 weeks can still feel like a long time, but here's what makes it bearable: knowing what to expect. When you're working with pros who actually communicate and give you a schedule that they stick to, you're not left wondering what's going on. You know Mondays for prep, Fridays for install. You can plan around it. And honestly, most of our clients tell us the hardest part wasn't the timeline, it was the not knowing before they called us. Once you have a plan, it's just more manageable. Compare that to your average kitchen remodel where new cabinets are being installed. The industry average for the on-site work alone is 6 to 8 weeks of downtime. And that doesn't factor in the months leading up to it of the planning, the design, and waiting for fabrication. It's not uncommon to be waiting 2 to even 6 months to finish the on-site work if issues arise. You've all heard the stories, and the extra cost for that type of project, it's usually an additional $10,000 to even $30,000 plus your takeout bills, and that could be in the thousands of dollars. So 2 weeks or many months of construction chaos. The choice is yours. If you're thinking about a kitchen remodel, book a consultation with us. We'll walk you through your specific kitchen, give you an exact timeline, and show you how refinishing can save you thousands compared to a full replacement. Your kitchen's gonna look incredible, and you won't be waiting forever to use it. You'll find the link in our description, so reach out and let's make it happen.